Come with me to go relax my hair for the third time this year at a local salon.
My hair, as you can see.
First up, the Supermart. I'm picking up my go-to relaxer kit. I always choose a particular relaxer that's gentle on my hair and scalp, that has added conditioning benefits and protects my hair during the process. So I'm going to show you all the relaxer kit that you have here. So there's Dark and Lovely, there's Olive, there's Nature's Gentle Touch. This is the one that I have always been using for years, but I picked the Dark and Lovely because I wanted to try something different today. I paid and I headed out. Got to the salon around 3 p.m. ish, and there was just one person, attending to everybody in the salon. So I decided to quickly save time and mix up the activator into the relaxer and mix thoroughly, because I don't want anybody to do it in a hurry. So this is a young guy that's relaxing my hair today. His father owns a salon and everybody in their family is a hairstylist. They all know how to relax hair. But it's the way they go about it that gives me the ick. Like, they keep applying relaxer to already relaxed hair, which leads to overprocessing. And that's why a lot of women have bad or damaged relaxed hair, because you keep going back to the same stylist who keeps applying relaxer to your already relaxed hair, which in the long run will lead to damage. Crazy, because no matter how many times you tell them to please apply the relaxer only to your new growth, it's like you don't even know what you're saying. They can't understand you. It's like you're speaking a foreign language. In this salon, it's by force, so you must roll your hair whether you like it or not after relaxing. So I didn't have a choice. I had to enter. That shit was hot as fuck. Like, I had a different type of headache that I've never felt before. Look at my eyes. I hope you know that relaxed hair requires a lot more care and attention. So if you thought transitioning from natural to relaxed hair would be a lot more easier for you, I feel so sorry for you. Yes, relaxed hair is easier to manage, but do not neglect all those deep conditioning you used to do. Now you're going to do it even more, because relaxed hair is fragile, is weak and dry, and very, very prone to breakage. So do your research. I'm heading home. It's a little bit chaotic traffic because I went to the other side of town to get my hair done.